Welcome to Inspire Fluent. Today, we're going to talk about something that can truly change your life. Starting from this very moment, your mindset. Your mindset is like the lens through which you see the world. If that lens is cloudy with doubt, negativity, or fear, everything will appear more difficult than it actually is. But if your lens is clear, full of positivity, hope, and growth, you will see opportunities where others see problems. Think of your mind as a garden. Whatever you plant there will grow. If you plant seeds of confidence, gratitude, and determination, you will harvest success and happiness. But if you allow weeds like self-doubt, negativity, and fear to grow, they will take over. The good news? You are the gardener, and you can decide what to plant starting today. Changing your mindset isn't just about thinking positive. It's about creating a habit of choosing the right thoughts, even when life feels heavy. And to help you remember this, I want to introduce you to a powerful English phrase: turn over a new leaf. This means to start fresh, to make a positive change in your behavior, attitude, or way of thinking. Imagine flipping over a leaf in a book and beginning a brand new page in your story. For example, after failing my exams, I decided to turn over a new leaf and study harder. She turned over a new leaf and began taking care of her health. See how powerful it feels. When you say it, you're declaring to yourself and the world that you are starting again, but this time, better. Mindset change is not a one-time action. It's a daily choice. Every morning when you wake up, you have two options: to focus on your problems or to focus on possibilities. People who achieve their dreams are not those who never face challenges, but those who choose to learn from them. One practical way to start is by controlling your self-talk. If you keep telling yourself, "I can't do this," your brain will believe it. But if you tell yourself, "I'm learning, I'm improving, and I will make it," your brain will start working towards solutions. Another powerful step is to surround yourself with people who inspire you. Your environment shapes your thoughts more than you realize. If you spend time with those who complain and stay stuck, you'll absorb their energy. But if you are around people who are passionate, positive, and driven, you'll feel uplifted and motivated to match their energy. Remember, turning over a new leaf doesn't mean you won't fail. It means you're willing to stand up every time you fall. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of success. Each setback is a lesson, and each lesson moves you closer to your goal. Start with small actions. If you want to be healthier, walk for 10 minutes today. If you want to improve your English, learn one new word and use it in conversation. If you want to save money, start with just $1. Small steps may seem unimportant, but over time, they create massive change. Also, be patient with yourself. Transformation doesn't happen overnight. Just like a tree doesn't grow in a day, your mindset needs time to strengthen. Celebrate small wins, because they are proof you're moving in the right direction. Today, I challenge you to make a decision. Choose one area of your life where you will turn over a new leaf. Write it down, say it out loud, and start taking small actions towards it. You'll be amazed at how quickly your life begins to change when your mindset changes first. If you found this message inspiring and valuable, I would be truly grateful if you could gently tap the like button and subscribe to Inspire Fluent. Your support helps us continue to bring you uplifting messages and useful English learning tips. Thank you for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.